Good morning, students. Today we are going to do The Bengal Sailor by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, known as the Nightingale of India. She was a great poetess, a great politically activist personality. Her father, Agrohnath Chattopadhyay, he was a renowned scientist, a philosopher, educator, and a linguist. Her mother, Barada Sundari Devi, was a Bengali poet. Naidu's highly educated family had a formative influence on her, and she grew up as a hard-working and talented student. She was interested in learning languages and became proficient in Urdu, Telugu, English, Bengali, and Persian languages. At the age of 12, she passed the matriculation examination, and at 13, she composed a narrative poem in English of about 2000 lines. When she was 16 years old, Naidu traveled to England to study first at King's College, London, and then at Girton College, Cambridge. During her stay in England, she came in contact with many famous literary figures of her time, such as Arthur Symons and Edmund Gosse. Her poetry focuses on the depiction of contemporary Indian life, romance, and spiritual thrust. Her reputation as a poet rests on three collections: The Golden Threshold, The Bird of Time, Death and the Spring. So today we are going to do the Bengal Sailors. The Bengal sailors are we who bear our shining lords to the temple fair, who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow tinted circles of light, lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives. As you know, in Indian culture, there is a great significance of bangles for married women, for unmarried girls, for all. There is a great importance of bangles in their lives. Bengal sailors are we who bear our shining loads to the temple fair. This is the story of the Bengal sailors who came in a fair to sell their bangles in the fair. So they bring the load, heavy load of these shining bangles on their shoulders, and they are thinking that who will buy these delicate, as you know, bangles are delicate, they are made up of glass, they are so delicate. Who will buy these delicate, bright, and rainbow tinted circles of light? That who will buy these bangles? Who will buy these rainbow tinted circles, lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wife. The poet is saying that these bangles are for happy daughters, for those daughters who are happy in their lives. Bangles, you can say, is also the symbol of happiness, and it is for also happy wives. Some are meet for the maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. So, some bangles that are of blue color and of silver color, like the mist on the mountain. These bangles are for maiden's wrist. For wrist मैंने कलाई. Maidens means unmarried girls. So these silver and blue, are for the maiden's wrist. As the mountain mist, these are like the mountain mist. Some are flushed like the birds that dream. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. The poetess is saying that some beautiful bangles are of that green color, that natural green color that is of newborn leaves, the leaves that are born on the branches. Some are like fields of sunlit corn. The poet is saying that some bangles are like the fields of corn. Corn माने मक्की, like those yellow color. Meet for a bride of her bridal morn. He is saying that these kinds of bangle are specially for the bride that she will bear in the morning. Some like the flame of her marriage fire. Some bangles are of the color of the flame, that is, of marriage, or rich with the hue of her heart's desire, tinkling, luminous, tender, and clear, like her bridal laughter and bridal tears. The poet is saying the tinkling of the bangles, the sound that is created by the bangles, are like the bridal laughter and the bridal tear. Some are purple and gold flagged grey. Flagged होता है बेटा मीना. Some bangles are of purple color and there is a grey flagged, grey color का मीना उस पे लगा हुआ है. For she who has journeyed through life midway. It is for the lady that is of 45-50 years old, that is in between the journey of his life, whose hands have cherished, whose love has blessed, and cradle four sons on her faithful breast, and served her household in fruitful pride, and worships the God at her husband's side. Or you can say it is for the lady that cradle होता है पालना, that is having the string of that cradle, and in that cradle her son is there, and serves the household in fruitful pride, and worships the God at her husband's side. So it was a beautiful poem, The Bangle Sellers by Sarojini Naidu. Tomorrow we will do its exercise, antonym, synonym, question answers, and all. Now look at this picture. She is that great poetess, Sarojini Naidu. Okay, thank you.